Hello, if you're new in YouTube and you're still wondering on what topic you should be making a video to get monetized and to fulfill your criteria of getting 4000 watch hours and 1000 sub, then do watch this video till the end. I have come up with few topics which do not require much skill on which you can make videos, and even if you don't have much resources apart from phone and camera, you can still be successful and fulfill all these criteria. Now the first one, that is your introduction. Whatever video you may be starting, whether education or whether related to cooking, the first thing you should be making the video on is your introduction. Whatever the world should know about you, or whatever things you will be uploading later on, it should be about it. Second thing, you can make a video that is the response video. In the response video, you don't have to think about the topic. If you don't have to think about the topic, then who will be? Well, you have to make this video in response to someone else's opinion, and you may give your opinion, you may give the responses regarding that how you disagree on it. Third type of video that you can make is opinion videos, opinion about the changing trends, about the current situation, but obviously avoid politics. Then is you can start a vlog that is not a blog, it's vlog. Those people who started a vlog and they have become famous, actually their all videos go viral. Even simple videos about their daily routine, about what they like to eat, what they like to read, and I saw some people started that when they were in college, and then now they are married. They even show their family life. They have children now. They show about their daily routine, how they pack, how their children are growing, and these many things. And I don't know when they will stop. And they are still being liked by everyone. In fact, the subscribers have increased with time. And in vlog, the best thing is that you can introduce anything, whether you can introduce about your shopping, about your cooking, about your relatives, friends, everything. The next thing you can do is your challenge. You can challenge yourself regarding anything, about the weight loss, about glowing skin, about cinnamon challenge, about doing gym and changing your body. I have watched certain videos in which the person was very thin, and he showed that I will be changing my body. I'm taking up this challenge of 1 month, and weekly, like he's showing that what all exercise or whatever machine he used in the gym. I don't have much knowledge about the gym, but yeah, so whatever machines he used for his body to build up, then he shows that now it is 1 week, my muscles have grown this much, and then he completes 1 month, and then he shows that I transformed from this to this. The challenge which I had taken is being fulfilled. And the next one which you can do is about the reviews about various appliances, various gadgets, various beauty products or other products which are there in the market. Now whenever you buy a product, you don't straight away buy it. You always you see the ratings and the reviews. Recently I got a chopper, and chopper, that is cutting, that is a kitchen appliance, and before actually buying that, I actually saw a YouTuber's video regarding she had also got that, and she was showing the video that where she put some tomatoes or other vegetables and how good it was working. So I liked that and I purchased it. So these kind of videos are also in trend, because whenever people have to spend money, they want to be sure that in whatever product they are ordering or whatever product they are going to buy, that is good. So you can do on laptops also, you can do on other various maybe shaving items, perfume, or whatever products it may be. There are beauty products also. Actually I found many girls applying those things on their face, and then they are showing it online that these are good. And apart from this, there is one more which I find very much in trend, and that will really help you a lot in promoting a channel. That is it is regarding introduction, or it is regarding sharing your likes and dislikes regarding TV shows, regarding new web series. As you already know, in Netflix and Prime Videos and various other online there are available, we can find that certain of the web series are there, and these web series, I think every day or every week new web series are being coming up, and people actually love watching them. But before watching them, they do search online that what all good series are available these days, or comedy web series available, or horror web series. So these kind of things they search, and they find that many of the people give reviews regarding it, that this one I'm watching lately, and you can show some clippings, you can show some funny or like that, or we defines the plot of the series. You can say that these things are happening in that, and I really like it, you should also be watching about it, or you can give a reaction video regarding it. And I can talk about it, or any plot in the story of a movie, or you can a TV serial which is going to be launched, or what all actors will be working on that, you can even share about it. And then the next video that you can start, that will be loved by especially ladies, that is the haul videos. If men are watching this, they may not be knowing, but haul videos are regarding shopping, whether it is offline or whether it is online. So like if I got a dress and I can just flaunt it, I can wear it, I can show that how I'm looking, because especially when people buy things online, so they are not sure that after wearing how it will look, because we mostly see that models wearing, and they are being photographed with good lights and that, and the thing is obviously when we see it online it look good, but when we order it, it's sometimes something else, or it does not suit us. So when we see this review, oh, this dress is really good and it will look good on me also, so people they watch those videos and they see, and they also get to know these YouTubers, they share the product price, and they got discount, sometimes they share promo codes, and they tell you should be buying this or from this side. They even in the description box they give links. So that is I think that is easier to do. The only thing is that they should be having those products and they should be trying them. Now I think mostly people, they do buy things, they do shopping, and if you're a girl, I don't think that there will be any month when you don't do shopping. You just have to make a video regarding it, that whether this product was good or not, or whether it was being liked by you or not, and where it is available. The next thing is very much in trend and will always be is the comedy skit. Now you can make that with your friends, or you can include your family members. Or I have also found certain videos or YouTubers, or I've seen in Facebook also, certain of the people are actually playing all the role of father also, of mother also, and of the child also, and they have become so famous. They are doing such a good acting. If you're good at it, or you can include your friends to do it, and so you don't require much skill. The only skill you require is your way of presenting things, and certain comedy, because I think people actually love to watch things which will make them laugh, and that will always remain same. I don't think a few years later it will not be in trend. It will be, and lots of people are making money by making this video. So these topic which I have selected, these top 10 topic which I have selected, were based on the topics that on which you can make videos without having much skill or resources. I will be making other videos also, on what topic you can still make videos apart from these, and that can be in detail also. If you like what I told you, then do subscribe my channel and wait for my next few videos, and press on the bell icon so you can get the notification. Thank you.